when I was teaching periodic table, I mentioned that it will help us in balancing of chemical equation. And when I was also teaching oxidation states of elements, I also mentioned that it will help us in the balancing of chemical equation. So here we are here to solve this, to balance this chemical equation. As we all know, this part, that is the left part, is the reactant side, while the right part is the product side. So now, let's balance the chemical equation now. Let's write the product side and also balance the chemical equation. So we have a metal will always go to non-metals. That's how it is. Or let's say positive will go to negative. All right. All right. So positive will go to negative. Why negative will go to positive, as the case may be. So here we have silver. This silver is a metal. So to go to chlorine, which is a non-metal, so have silver chloride. Now, but for us to know whether what we wrote here is correct, we need to know the oxidation state of silver. And we also need to know the oxidation state of chlorine. The oxidation state of silver is +1, while the oxidation state of chlorine is -1. So when we have something like this, we have plus and we have minus. They will both cancel each other because they are just 1, 1. That is minus +1 and -1. So we will have it this way. So this is correct. The next one is having NO3. NO3 is -1. And we also have what? Sodium, which is what? Positive. So we have sodium trioxonitrate. So this is silver trioxonitrate, and this is sodium chloride. So if the reaction of both of them will give us what? Silver chloride plus sodium trioxonitrate. Now, just as I've done here, sodium is plus, and we have NO3 as -1. So this will both cancel each other, and we'll have something like this, and this is it here. So this equation is balanced. I believe you understood it. If you are still finding it difficult, maybe you need to go back to my video where I did oxidation states, or where I even did the electronic configuration, or you go back to the periodic table. I explained this very, very well there. So if you are done watching that, come back and watch videos, this series of videos I'm doing on balancing of chemical equation. Bye.